SPanel is a powerful cloud management platform, allowing anyone to manage their server with ease. Wait, you never heard the words server management and easy in one sentence before? In that case, deep breath. Choose a server from your favorite provider, and instead of a complex, frustrating, and borderline panic-inducing setup process, get it done with SPanel. Our engineers will set your server up for you, giving you access to all the server optimization and management tools you need, pre-installed and ready to roll at a click of a button. Monitor your server resources, create, upgrade, unsuspend individual accounts, and take full control of your server. Working on a project for yourself? SPanel allows you to install WordPress and over 400 additional web applications, host emails, create backups, install SSL certificates, and manage your site like a pro. But if you're an admin or a web studio, dazzle your customers with some flair by removing the SPanel logo. Psst, we won't mind. Generate usage reports or allow us to manage your customers through our 24/7, 365 days a year support. How did SPanel get to be so great? Well, it was built by you, all of you. Every piece of SPanel is developed based on the public feature requests at features.spanel.io. So join over 10,000 businesses already using SPanel and manage your server with ease. Like I said at the beginning,